Hello, welcome to Server Simply. My name is Kalmer and today we will configure one of the most popular general purpose server. Lately AMD based systems are quite popular, so let's follow the trend then. It is actually one new system. We can narrow down the selection here. Since we mentioned AMD, so CPU type should be AMD EPYC 7000 series, and the most common or popular storage bay option would be actually 10 bays per one new server. Since the latest AMD server CPUs pack quite a lot of punch per CPU, so most popular systems are actually systems where you can use only one CPU. So this is very cost optimized solution for different purposes. This system supports 8 SAS SATA drives, and actually 2 of them could be NVMe drives. So let's select this option. This is actually supported by many virtualization platforms and operating systems. So yeah, this is probably most common all-around pick that there is. I will select 16-core CPU. That is one of the most popular choices with a 32-core model. Selected model is 7302P. Please notice the letter P. It means that this is single CPU supported model. It means it cannot be used in dual socket server systems and can only be used in single socket servers like the one we are actually configuring. And therefore it is the most cost-optimized solution for a single processor server, and all the other models with the letter P in the end. Most common option is to have actually 4 DIMMs and use the little bit larger ones like 32 gigs. There is a SATA DOM boot modules on board possible to select, but most popular one today is the M.2 controller, where you can have small M.2 drives and put them into the RAID 1 mode for boot option, and since it's rated, it's like very popular options. Main array NVMe drives, remember I mentioned that 2 is possible to select. Let's say different database applications and caching, for example. Let's use 2 of these NVMe drives. This is truly faster storage in this very common system, but this is very good performance. We would suggest this Broadcom RAID controller that supports up to 16 HDD. As this system does not have actually more than 10 drive bays, it's very good fit. It has very same performance and features as 240 hard drive supporting controller, but supports just less drives and is not that expensive. So this would be actually a very good fit into the given solution. Solid state drives are most probably the option of many systems today, since the price and performance against the rotating disk drives is totally shifted to regular SSDs already. Depending on storage amount you would need, the most popular option would be actually Samsung SSDs here. Let's select 8 ones because 2 of the disk slots we have already selected for NVMe right here shown, and then 1 controller and 8 times 1.9 terabyte Samsung SSDs that we can tie to different RAID configurations there. For some applications hard drives could be used, but they are not too popular these days. Networking option. There is selectable fiber channel adapters here. We can add even small graphic processing unit there. For some application it's needed, but generally it's not needed. And network cards, quite popular actually these days, is 25 gigs Mellanox adapters. We truly recommend that. It's form factor is SFP28, just 2 times 25 gigs. But for these kind of small fast systems, it's it's definitely one of our recommendations. The pricing is basically the same as 2 times 10 gigs, so it's totally okay to use 2 times 25. TPM if needed, and we always recommend Datacenter management package. It allows you to monitor and manage more systems remotely, and script the different kind of tasks that you want to run on the data center. So and monitoring and doing the upgrades, or so this would definitely give you advantage on occasion when you have to have management over several nodes at the same time, with easy scripting perhaps. So virtualization software, it's a very good idea actually to add it here already per CPU. Since this is only single CPU system, it's quite cost optimized for software licensing as well. So just see that there are different operating system licenses available here to configure and purchase with the system, but that's only an option, not a necessity. So warranty selection of choice. Most common warranty actually is 3-year warranty with the Next Business Day courier support. Just add 2 power cables here, and you can always check your configuration price here. If you are logged in as a customer, you can always see your discounted price that is actually valid and checked every day against the price list of the manufacturers. So you can always rely on this up-to-date pricing and add it just to cart. So this product that we just configured has added to your cart, and in the next video I will show you how we can share this created configuration with your coworkers or interested parties. Thank you, and stay well.